This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP, Steurenberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Alright, we're back home, so let's take a look at the results. So you see that the EV9 did it quite well. According to spec, it's 5.3 seconds, it's needed in 5.1 seconds, and this is with winter tires and also 21 inch. You can also get them in 20 inch, so very impressive. The weight, I've checked it in the range test, it was either 2,600, 2,700, it's quite heavy. And then, yeah, but compared to other cars, we have to look at, okay, what other cars do we have here in the same size? e-tron 55, for example, is slower, and everything is faster than e-tron. iX, well, that was rear-wheel drive. Okay, let me see, EQS, maybe EQS SUV, but it costs twice as much, so I'm not sure if that is fair to compare against. There was another EQS, yeah, it wasn't actually an EQS 500, I never bothered to test it, maybe I should, but I'm just saying that around 5 seconds for this big freaking tank is very good. And then what you guys are probably interested in, noise. So look here, so very good also in noise. It comes on top here, really good. Look here, at 80 kilometers per hour, it has only around 60, almost 61 decibel, and then even at 120, we have 65 decibel. So that is really good compared to other cars here. And see, we have some Chinese car, we have some i7, that's a luxury car. EQS, lots of German cars, and then G9, of course. Yeah, even beating some of the other more expensive cars like a BMW iX. So really, and also again, I have to emphasize that we have 21-inch wheels. Well, that is crazy. Some of the other cars here, they have only 19-inch. Look at the profile at 55 or 50 profile, and here we have 45 profile, but relatively wide tires. So we can't only look at profile. You have to take profile and multiply by size. I mean the width of the tire. Then you get the height of the tire. So yeah, it has quite fat tires also. But okay, so there you have it, the EV9. It ticks the right boxes. It is humongous, it is fast, and it is also very quiet. So, you know, if I would buy this car, I would probably name it Obelix. Yeah, and then like Tesla Model 3 would be Asterix, right? But anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.